Want to enable dark mode on TikTok using your iPhone? Dark mode reduces eye strain and gives your app a sleek new look. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on TikTok dark mode. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Change TikTok default theme. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon below. Then tap on the 3-line icon from the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Display. Select Dark, and boom, the dark mode is on. Method 2. Using device settings. Go to the Settings app, scroll down a little bit. Tap Display and Brightness. Then select Dark. And that's how you can enable dark mode on TikTok using your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye for now.